Hello, I'm Ms. Ranjana Datta from Graduate School College for Women. We are studying group theory. This is for third, third sem students, DSC students. Now we will continue today the isomorphism of group definition. Suppose G and G dash are two groups. G is also a group, G dash is also a group. Further, suppose that the composition in both G and G dash have been denoted multiplicatively. That is, G and G dash are groups with respect to multiplication. Then we say that the group G is isomorphic to the group G dash if there exists one-to-one mapping F of G onto G dash such that F into AB is equal to FA into FB for every element AB belongs to G. That is, the mapping F presents the co- composition of G onto G dash. If the group G is isomorphic to the group G dash, symbolically we say that the G is isomorphic to G dash as shown on your computer. Another notation for isomorphism is another one given. So, if G and G dash are two groups under the operation multiplication and G should, for isomorphism, two properties are to be followed. One is G must be one-to-one mapping and F of AB is equal to FA and FB, where F is a mapping from G to G dash and A and B are the elements of G. Now, examples. Take some example. Let R is the additive group of real numbers and R positive is the multiplicative group of positive real numbers. Prove that F mapping from R to R plus defined by fx is equal to e to the power x for every x belongs to R is isomorphic to R plus. That is, R is isomorphic to R plus. Since x belongs to R, R is the group of real numbers. R is the group of real numbers. Real numbers contains positive, zero or negative elements. So fx belongs to R dash and fx is equal to e to the power x. Function fx is e to the power x. E to the power x is equal to e to the power something that is also a member of R dash because e to the power x is always positive. R dash is the R plus is the multiplicative group of positive real number. Mind it, R plus is the multiplicative group of positive real number. Since Ex for positive value, negative value or zero value gives a positive value, so this belongs to R dash. So every values of x belongs to R, fx also belongs to R. So f is a function from R to R dash or R to R plus. Now fx is 1 1. Let x1 and x2 be belongs to R. Then fx1 is equal to fx2. That implies that e to the power x1 is equal to e to the power x2. Taking log on both sides, we say c log of e to the power x1 is equal to log of e to the power x2, which may be written as x1 is equal to x2. We started from fx1 is equal to fx2 and we get x1 is equal to x2. That is, F is 1 1 mapping. Now, to prove that F is onto, let y be any element of R plus. That is, y is positive real number. Log y is a real number. Log y is also a real number. So therefore, for every log y belongs to R, f of log y. Mind it, log y belongs to a real number. So f of log y is equal e to the power log y. That means y belongs to R plus f. We are applying f on log y. So e to the power log y, and that is equal to y. Y belongs to R plus is the image of the element of R. Thus f is onto. Now x1, x2 belongs to R set of real numbers. X1 is x2 are the real numbers. So x1 plus x2 is also a real number. So if we apply f on x1 plus x2, we get f of x1 plus x2 is equal to e to the power x1 plus x2 is equal to e to the power x1 into e to the power x2 is equal to fx1 into fx2. That is, fx1 plus x2 is equal to fx1 into fx2. Thus, f preserves composition in R and R1. R plus, that is, F is an isomorphic of R onto R plus, then R is isomorphic to R plus. Now take another example. Show that the addition group of integer g is equal to, as shown on your screen, is isomorphic to the additive group of g dash as shown on your screen, where m is any fixed integer not is equal to 0. If x belongs to g, then this implies mx belongs to g dash. Let f is a mapping from g to g dash. Then by the definition of fx is equal to mx for every x belongs to g. F is 1 1, let x1 and x2 belongs to g, then fx1 is equal to fx2. That is, mx1 is equal to mx2. This implies that x1 is equal to x2. Therefore, f is 1 1. Then we have to prove f is onto. Let y belongs to g dash. Then y by m belongs to g, where m is any fixed integer not equal to 0. Then f of y by m is equal to m into y by m. So this is equal to y, and this y is belongs to G dash. Each element of G dash is the F image of element of G, hence F is onto. Again, if x1 and x2 are elements of G, since G is an additive group, so x1, x2 belongs to G, that this implies x1 plus x2 also belongs to G. So f of x1 plus x2 is equal to mx1 plus mx2, and mx1 is fx1 plus fx2. Thus, f of x1 plus x2 is equal to fx1 plus fx2. Thus, f preserves composition of G into G dash. Therefore, F is an isomorphic mapping of G onto G dash. Today, this much only. Thank you, and do your homework.